Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shubro the Geek. I am your host Shubro. So today we'll be reviewing Logitech M221 the silent mouse. It's a very good mouse. I have purchased this in March from Amazon.com, and I have been using this mouse ever since, and this is one of the best mouse which I have ever bought, and this has increased the productivity of mine programming and all, making document and other stuffs to a new level. So guys, without further ado, let's jump on to all the things which you need to know about the mouse and what are the things that comes with the mouse. So without further ado, let's start, shall we? So guys, this Logitech M221 mouse is a very silent mouse. As you can hear, it will give you no sound at all. Okay, so this is a very silent mouse, and this mouse comes just like this without anything, and it comes in a plastic case which I have thrown because I have been using it for so long. And you just have to open it. The back, it contains a battery. At the very beginning, you just have a tab over here. You just need to pull the tab. It was stopping the battery to be used, and you have this dongle which is plugged in over here. So you take out this dongle and you just close this up. So this mouse works with any operating system, like say for example Windows, Linux. I generally use Linux, and then Apple. I have tested with Apple also. I don't have I don't have a dongle for my iPad, or else I would be showing it to you. So let me keep this and let me move my table to the side. Okay, and let me pan out a bit. Yeah, so what you do, so here is my laptop. So I don't need to turn on the Bluetooth settings. As you can see at the top right hand corner, it will be showing. If I switch off the Bluetooth setting over here, it's already on. If I switch off, it's a USB receiver mouse. It generally works on the transmitting radio waves. So how does this work? So I just take this dongle which is provided with the mouse. So this dongle is very small. Now I just plug it inside my laptop. So as you can see, I have a USB port over here. So I just plug it in. So just push it and it will plug in. Now you just turn this mouse on. Over here, the right side is on, the left side is off. You just turn this on. So it's written also. You just turn this on, and after you turn it on, see, it's connected. It's so fast. I just love this. So I have this book on computer organization and architecture. Let's open this book up. So I generally study, so I need to move, I need to scroll, and it's very fast. So which was very tough for me using the touchpad. Now this mouse is helping me a lot. So only this mouse I am using, see, nothing else. My both hands are over here, and this mouse is so good, and it doesn't sound. Doesn't sound a bit. Like seriously, this is so good. I just close this and you haven't heard any sound, I guess. So let me show you another thing. Like okay, so this is a PDF on something, network representation learning with rich text effect information and all. So that's very good. Let me open the Firefox. I generally use Firefox for my day-to-day usage. So let's open. Guys, this laptop is like a year old, but it does not have a SSD, so it's a bit slow, and it is of 4 GB RAM only. Okay, so it's very fast. See, blazing fast. I can show you one thing about this laptop also. So the terminal opens. It's slow. It's completely slow. I can understand. So let me do a neo fetch. So see, as you can see, I have 3801 MIB of RAM. So that's actually 4 GB of RAM only. So this is a bit slow laptop, and it's running Ubuntu 20.04. as you can see, yeah, 20.04 LTS. And one thing which I love about this laptop, it's 14-inch and just too good. I can post a dedicated review on this laptop if you guys want. It's one of the best laptops I have ever used. And this has some very good features to it, so I'll tell you later. So this is the thing about this mouse. This mouse is blazing fast, and this is a very good mouse, the best mouse to purchase. And I purchased this for 599 rupees. So 599 rupees is roughly $9, not even $9, $8.50, like this. So that's very good about this thing. This is very cheap, and this is one of the best mouse I have used. So I will recommend this mouse to each and everyone who wants to purchase a wireless mouse for their day-to-day usage. And to disconnect it, you just switch it off and it's disconnected. And it has a good place to store the dongle. Just remove the dongle from laptop and you just plug it over here, so you never lose it. So I generally carry it with my laptop always. This is the thing about the mouse. And now for the rating, if I had to rate it within 10, then I would be giving it 10. No issues. It's lightweight, it's ergonomic, it has a good feel in the hand. The scroll bar is very good. It is a bit plasticky. That's not, considering the price, it's very good about that. It has like very fast connectivity, and it uses radio transmitter 2.54 gigahertz band. That's very good, and it has a range of 10 meters. So if I want, I can stay at my bed and work on my laptop on the desk with this mouse. That's the best thing which I found about this mouse, and I use it for that only. So guys, that was it for Logitech M221 mouse. And if you guys like this kind of review videos, please do comment down below. You have my social media handles there. You can directly contact me over there also for any products. So these are not sponsored products. These are the products which I purchased with my own money when I had them. Now these are the things which I continuously use, and I generally post the review videos about these products because I think I can help help someone with the review to buy a new mouse. When I was searching, I didn't get good reviews, or generally some I have to search a lot, and you don't have to search a lot. Everything which I use will be covered. So that's it for the video. I hope I had cleared your doubt about purchasing the wireless mouse and why I think M221 Silent from Logitech is one of the best mouse. It has a very good DPI. The CSGO which you watch me play is also being played with the same mouse. I love this mouse for that. And that's all for the video. Thanks for bearing with me. And guys, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell notification icon beside it. Please share it with your friends. Please like my videos. And if you have any suggestions, please do comment. It was your host Shubhro from Shubhro the Geek signing off. Bye bye.